In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Google Keep easily accessible on your desktop in just 5 minutes. We'll go through a few simple steps to seamlessly integrate it with your desktop so you can jot down notes and ideas at the click of a button. Ready? Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your preferred web browser, preferably Google Chrome, as it's particularly compatible with Google's suite of tools. Once you're in, head over to the address bar and type in keep.google.com. This will take you directly to Google Keep, where you can see all your notes and lists neatly arranged. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll be ready to go. If not, just log in with your usual credentials to access the full functionality. Now, to make accessing Google Keep even easier, we need to locate the Google Apps icon, which is the grid icon typically found in the upper right corner of your screen. Give that a click. This displays a drop-down menu with a variety of Google tools at your disposal. Look for Keep among the options. If it's not immediately visible, you might have to scroll down to find it. Once you spot it, go ahead and give it a click. This will lead you straight to the main Google Keep interface. Once you are on the Google Keep page, let's make it a permanent fixture on your desktop. Look at the upper right section of your screen again. You'll find an icon that says Install Google Keep. It might look like a downward pointing arrow or a plus sign. Click on this and the option to install Google Keep as a desktop application will pop up. Accept any prompts that appear to confirm the installation. This step adds Keep as a standalone app on your desktop, allowing you fast access without having to open a browser each time. The final tip to streamline your workflow even further is pinning Google Keep to your taskbar. Once the installation is complete, you can see the app icon directly on your desktop or in your app list. Find the Google Keep icon, right-click on it, and select the option to pin it to your taskbar. This effectively anchors it to the bottom of your screen, where it's only a single click away whenever you need it, and there you have it, Google Keep right on your desktop, ready to capture any flash of insight or quick reminder you need to jot down. It takes just a brief moment to complete, but the convenience will be a game changer for staying organized and efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this instructional guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tech guides, and enjoy your newly integrated Google Keep experience on your desktop.